We've reached a major milestone in the building of our new home. We're just heading on over there now. We've got actually the roof steels going on today. The crane should be there. So just going to go and check on progress. Hey, we're back on site here where we're building our family home here. This project's been a bit of a long time in the making, really for a couple of reasons. Firstly, planning took quite a long time. There's a number of challenges we had. We went back with a couple of different options and schemes in order to really get what we wanted here. And then secondly, it's always been a bit of a back burner project, meaning that there's other projects we've always focused on that's taken priority over and above this one. Really, because they're the ones that pay the bills. So this is the one that's costing a huge amount of money. They're the ones that pay the bills. So those projects are always taken much more priority. But we're moving along now. The structure's in place. In fact, the crane is just here today getting that steels on the roof for the roof structure. And then we can start getting the roof on and getting it watertight and the windows in place. Because as we're starting to approach winter, the weather's going to change. We really want to get it watertight so we can then crack on inside. It's still going to be a number of months here, probably at least 5 or 6 months, and maybe hopefully all going well, the family will be moved in for summer next year. That's the plan. We're in South Birmingham right now, not very far from where we currently live. Where we live right now is actually a really nice location as well. And some people are saying to me, why are you moving from there? It's a great location, it's a lovely place. It is a nice place. That house doesn't really suit us right now in terms of a family. As the family's getting older, the kids are growing up. Really, the opportunity here was to be able to create something that's going to suit us perfectly and create it exactly the way we want for everybody in the family. You know, mom lives with me, my kids are with me, my eldest son's getting married hopefully soon as well. So, you know, typical Asian family, we like to kind of live together. Hey, that's my intention anyway. God knows what will happen as the kids get older. Maybe they'll want to move on. Maybe this house will be too big for us. It's about 4,500 square feet roughly. We're creating here 6 bedrooms with 6 bathrooms. Might even change that to maybe 5 bedrooms because the configuration may change slightly as we're working through it. But the beauty is we can create this the way we want, and that's really the way we're looking at it, as opposed to you know, whether that was a better location. This. And then the other thing is we've got more space here to park cars on the drive, whereas there we're a little bit more challenged with parking. So here we'll be able to get the electric gates and the cars on the inside, making it a bit more secure as well. Because hey, look, at the end of the day, we live in Birmingham, so you know, having nice cars can be a bit of a challenge as well. I'm hoping we can get the property watertight quite soon. There's still quite a bit of work to do, but the weather's not really going to be on our side in the coming weeks. We're just heading on over back to the office now. We've got a little bit more preparation to do for tomorrow's property meet. And tomorrow evening at the property meet, I'm going to be talking about control as a strategy as opposed to purchasing property. So profiting from property simply by controlling it. I know many people have been talking about this strategy over the last few years, but my belief is it's just simply been the wrong time. It's been the wrong time to try and make that strategy work, which is why many people have struggled to get any kind of success. However, all that is about to change. 2023 is going to be absolutely the perfect time for this strategy. So that's what we're going to be focusing on. We've got a little bit of work to finish off in preparation for that. So let's go and head over there now. Who is this here I'm talking about? When I first arrived in New York, I had no money, but I didn't let that stop me. I focused on buying real estate with no money. Now, one of the probably biggest developers in New York, Donald Trump. So he built his entire business based on controlling property, controlling land to be able to build the empire.